on the run, so I'm taking this moment to live in the future. Release me from the present, I'm obsessing on these questions. Why I'm in denial that they tried this suicidal session. Please use discretion when you're messing with the message, man. These lyrics aren't for everyone, only if you understand. Release me from the present, I'm obsessing on these questions. Why I'm in denial that they tried this suicidal session. Please use discretion when you're messing with the message, man. These lyrics aren't for everyone, only if you understand.
So what up, guys? Looking like a grandpa. What's up, dudes? We're about to go sledding. Dude, why are you wearing weed? No.
My friend told me you had someone new. My friend told me you had someone new. My friend told me you had someone new.
Hey! Woo! You rock, dude! Breakfast boys, Marcus and Camille, 16 Blizzard. This is gonna be my first attempt at a backflip on land. I've done it before on bounce, but that was bounce with trampolines. So here we go.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh shit, you were so close.
Wait, I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna try again.
Oh shit, you're so fucking close.
Oh shit.
Damn, your mustache is fucking thick.
What's up, dudes? This is Marcus here. I sound like such a snowboarder. As you can see, we made a
You
trail.
can't even see because it's so bright.
Yeah, but we made a trail though. As you can see, I'm gonna ride Kung Fu Panda. Like it, my bitch.
Yeah.
Oh my god! Oh! Oh my fucking god!
Yo.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Oh shit, oh shit. Yo, did I really shoot him? Yo, I gotta go down. Oh, fuck. I gotta check if he's okay.
guys.
Yeah, so we hope you enjoy this vlog. Sorry, we were gonna have a skit today, but you know, the weather and stuff.
Yeah.
You know, my hands got numb. Yeah.
See you guys next time.
Oh wait, what was that? Alright, let's get up and go. What the fuck? You actually hit the camera.
I got you.
Take a trip to my
What do you gotta say, bitch?